So how can you use your iPhone camera to translate text? So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe for more quick tutorials and explanations like this. I would say that you have two main options on how you can use it. So you have the Apple Translate app, which you can, of course, open up. It should be pre-installed on your device. And from the bottom, you can switch to the camera mode where you can point your camera at some specific text, capture, the thing, and it will try to detect the language and also the text, right? So you can pick it. It would be best if you could select the original language and then translate it to the next one, right? It would get the job done and most likely it's going to work, right? So you have that option. But personally, I would rather go with the Google Translate for a few reasons. Like, it is a third-party app, so it's not pre-installed on the device, but I believe it's actually better because you can as well go to the camera mode. And the thing is that I believe that it can recognize the text a bit better, but it also translates the text in real time. In the Apple Translate, I had to capture the photo of the text, and then it got recognized and translated. Whereas in the Google Translate, I can just point my screen and camera at some text, and it will be translated the moment it shows up on the screen. So I don't even have to capture that image. And I believe that it works slightly better in other regards as well. So naturally, feel free to pick the option you want, but I'm showing you the way I like to use it. Let me know in the comments below if the video has helped you out. Hit a thumbs up if it did. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.